It is 7 o'clock and I'm gonna go search for some coffee because it's still really dark out. This was a wonderful albergue, only 10 beds. I have to say the most comfortable mattresses and pillows I've had so far. So here, Fonte in O Porrino. Let's go find coffee. This is so pretty. Leaving O Porrino here. Blue skies. Looks like we got a lovely day. Nobody's out. Well, people are walking home from partying all night long. All right, we left O Porrino and we got the 100-kilometer mark. 2 stamps a day now. Well, it's about a little bit after 10. I haven't filmed hardly anything today, just not feeling it. I'm hot. Yesterday was too much for me. And today is gonna be a taxi or bus day on into Redondela. I can't walk over the hill. It's just one of those things. Got old, heart, breathing problems. I don't know. We'll see. This is the little church in Moose. Wow. If I was staying overnight in Moose, I'd want to come here and have dinner. This is right next to the church at the entrance of the town. This is so cool. So these are little snack machines. You can find these out in the woods sometimes. This is in the city. You got drinks and healthcare products, razors, condoms, all kinds of things. Drinks, ramen. Yeah, emergency food and drinks. This is where I'm staying tonight. We get curtains and we have towels and linens and blankets. Very nice. It's a mixed dorm though. For this room, we have 1 shower, 1 toilet. Looks like there's lockers down there, but you have to have your own lock. This is the nice common area and kitchen. This is great. With a coffee automat for first thing in the morning. Okay, I have showered, I have done my laundry, and I've made my bed. I'm ready to go have lunch. I do not know what these are, but I really like them. Here in Redondela. Finding a place to eat in Redondela on a Sunday is really tough. Everything is just drinks only. This is inside one of the churches here in Redondela. This is an interesting altar. Hey everybody, finishing up here day 12 here in Redondela. Sitting in my bunk bed. There's nobody else in this room yet, but I think people are going to come later on. I did find a place for lunch, little croquette and thing. There just really wasn't a lot to eat here in Redondela. Everything was closed for Sunday. I was surprised. It's kind of a big city, and I thought there'd be more things open here in the old town, but there isn't. So, still a pretty town to come and visit and look around. We enjoyed the video, and tomorrow we're going to Fonte Albergue. So it's a 20-kilometer walk. We'll see if I make it the whole way. So I'm glad I've got this nice bed with all the linens and everything, and I'll see you around. Make sure you ask your questions. If you have any questions about walking the Camino as an older person, a senior citizen perhaps, or any questions at all about the Camino, yeah, and I'll be happy to answer them. I answer all comments on my videos. See you tomorrow, day 13. Lucky day.